If your brake pedal feels spongy or unresponsive, it is time to replace your worn-out master cylinder today. First up, we have the Dorman M63031, a top-tier choice for Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC owners who need a reliable braking fix. This master cylinder solves the issue of inconsistent pedal pressure by providing a housing that perfectly matches the original casting material. One of its standout features is the use of high-quality EPDM rubber compounds, which are specifically designed to resist the corrosive nature of glycol-based brake fluid. Because it is 100% new and not remanufactured, you are getting a part that meets strict SAE international standards for safety. This is the ideal purchase for a DIY mechanic working on a late model GM truck who wants a bolt-on and forget solution. Imagine finishing your brake bleed and finally feeling that firm, factory new pedal response as you pull out of your driveway. Next at number 2 is the Dorman M390259, which is precision engineered for a wide variety of select vehicle models. This product is a lifesaver for those dealing with internal seal leaks that cause the vehicle to creep forward at stoplights. The cylinder housing is built to match the original design exactly, ensuring that your brake lines line up perfectly without any frustrating modifications. It features the same durable EPDM rubber components found in Dorman's premium line, guaranteeing a long service life even in harsh driving conditions. If you value safety and want a part that has been rigorously tested against international standards, this is a fantastic option for your daily driver. You can install this with confidence, knowing the garage tool verification process ensures it will fit your specific trim level. Now for number 3, let's look at the Dorman M762, another high-quality replacement that prioritizes performance and durability. This master cylinder addresses the danger of brake fade by utilizing entirely new materials throughout its construction. The precise replacement design means the cylinder housing mirrors the original part's function and casting, which simplifies the installation process significantly. It is equipped with premium EPDM seals that prevent fluid bypass, a common cause of master cylinder failure. This part is perfect for vehicle owners who want to restore their braking system to its original specifications without the risks associated with used or rebuilt parts. Picture yourself navigating a steep mountain descent with the peace of mind that your hydraulic system is backed by SAE certified engineering. Coming in at number 4, we have the A-Premium Brake Master Cylinder Assembly, designed specifically for heavy-duty Chevy and GMC vehicles from 2009 to 2014. This unit is a comprehensive solution because it includes both the reservoir and the sensor, saving you the hassle of swapping old, brittle plastic parts. It features a 1.25-inch bore diameter and is constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy 101 for excellent heat dissipation and strength. This is specifically for those with the JD9 RPO code, meaning it's built for vacuum-boosted systems on 7,700-pound GVW trucks like the Silverado 1500 or Yukon. If you are towing heavy trailers and notice your brake warning light flickering, this complete kit will restore your stopping power and sensor accuracy. It even comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee for added peace of mind. Moving on to number 5, the Dorman M63034 is a dedicated replacement for specific Chevrolet and GMC models that need a hydraulic refresh. This master cylinder solves the problem of fluid contamination and pressure loss by using 100% new components that have never seen the road before. The EPDM rubber seals are the star here, as they are engineered to withstand the chemical breakdown often caused by older brake fluids. It is designed to meet rigorous SAE international standards, ensuring that every stop is as safe as the first one. This is a great pick for truck owners who use their vehicles for work and cannot afford any downtime due to a failing brake system. Using the garage tool to confirm fitment ensures you won't be stuck halfway through a Saturday afternoon repair with the wrong part. Number 6 brings us to the A-Premium Master Cylinder for 2005-2006 Silverado and Sierra 1500 models, including the 2007 Classic. This part specifically targets vehicles with the JF3 RPO code, which covers the 7,000-pound GVW configurations with rear drum brakes. It is crafted from aluminum alloy 101, offering a lightweight yet incredibly durable housing that resists internal pitting. This is the go-to choice for owners of these classic body-style trucks who are experiencing a sinking brake pedal during long stops. The 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee shows that the manufacturer stands behind the precision of their machining. Imagine the relief of having a responsive brake pedal again while hauling a load of lumber in your crew cab pickup. Now for number 7, we are looking at the A-Premium Master Cylinder for the Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. This unit is designed to solve the specific braking quirks found in these popular crossovers. From 2007 to 2015, it features a 7/8-inch bore diameter and dual M14 outlets, ensuring it maintains the exact hydraulic balance required by your vehicle's ABS system. While this model does not include the reservoir or sensor, it is an affordable way to replace the core hydraulic component that usually fails. This is ideal for a Lincoln owner who wants to maintain that smooth, luxury stopping feel without spending a fortune at the dealership. It is a straightforward swap that will make your Ford Edge feel much more secure when braking in heavy city traffic. At number 8, we have another full assembly from A-Premium, this time for the Buick Enclave, Chevy Traverse, and GMC Acadia. This kit is a total lifesaver for SUV owners because it comes with a removable reservoir and the fluid level sensor already installed. The 1.063-inch bore is precision machined from aluminum alloy 101 to ensure that your large family vehicle stops consistently every single time. It addresses the common issue of reservoir leaks or sensor failures that can trigger annoying dashboard warnings. If you are a parent driving a Traverse or Acadia, you want the reliability of a brand new part when you have the kids in the back. This assembly makes the installation much cleaner and faster since you don't have to struggle with old stuck reservoir clips. Coming in at number 9 is the Dorman M6D30035, a high-quality hydraulic unit for select GM trucks and SUVs. This master cylinder is engineered to solve pressure imbalances that can lead to uneven brake wear or pulling to one side. By matching the original casting material, Dorman ensures that the thermal expansion rates stay consistent with the rest of your braking system. The EPDM rubber components are highly resistant to the high temperatures generated during heavy braking, preventing the seals from hardening over time. This is a perfect replacement for a Cadillac Escalade owner who wants to maintain the premium performance of their vehicle's safety systems. You can trust that this part has been built to meet the same strict standards as the original equipment on your luxury SUV. And finally, number 10 is the Dorman M6300284, a reliable replacement part for a wide range of Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models. This master cylinder is the answer for anyone dealing with a brake pedal that travels too far before the vehicle starts to slow down. It is made entirely from new materials, which eliminates the risk of hidden fatigue or cracks often found in remanufactured units. The housing is built to match the original specifications exactly, ensuring a perfect fit with your existing power brake booster. This is a smart buy for high mileage vehicle owners who are doing a complete brake overhaul and want to ensure the heart of the system is brand new. Once installed, you will notice a significant improvement in how quickly and confidently your vehicle responds to your foot. Check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the master cylinders we covered today. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you stay updated on all our latest automotive repair guides and reviews. Comment below and let me know which of these you chose for your rig or what part you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and keep those brakes firm and your driving safe.